Welcome to Aidan Clark Learn. In this video, we are sharing the most repeated Zscaler Internet Access questions for the Digital Transformation Engineer (ZDTE) exam. These are the exact types of ZDTE questions that appear frequently, helping you strengthen your preparation and boost your confidence. Watch carefully as we cover 5 critical ZDTE practice questions with answers and explanations. Everything you need to under ZIA concepts fast. Question number 1. Which Zscaler feature allows granular control of SSL TLS traffic for users accessing cloud applications? A. Zscaler Cloud Firewall. B. SSL Inspection. C. Bandwidth Control. D. Cloud Sandbox. Answer: B. SSL Inspection. Explanation: SSL Inspection decrypts and inspects SSL TLS traffic, allowing administrators to apply security policies without blocking encrypted connections. It helps enforce content filtering, malware scanning, and compliance, ensuring safe cloud application usage across all users and devices. Question number 2. In Zscaler Internet Access, which policy type is applied first during URL filtering? A. User policy. B. Location policy. C. Global policy. D. App control policy. Answer: C. Global policy. Explanation: global policies are evaluated before any user or location-specific rules. They establish the baseline for allowed and blocked traffic across the organization, ensuring consistent enforcement, while user and location policies provide additional granular control. Question number 3. Which SIA feature protects against advanced threats by detonating suspicious files in a secure environment? A. Bandwidth Control. B. SSL Inspection. C. Cloud Sandbox. D. URL Filtering. Answer: C. Cloud Sandbox. Explanation: Cloud Sandbox executes unknown or suspicious files in a secure, isolated environment to detect malware or zero-day attacks. This allows Zscaler to prevent infections in real time and apply preventive measures before threats reach end users. Question number 4. What is the main benefit of Zscaler Internet Access logging and reporting? A. Reduces internet bandwidth usage. B. Tracks and analyzes user activity and security events. C. Configures user bandwidth limits. D. Enables SSL decryption. Answer: B. Tracks and analyzes user activity and security events. Explanation: ZIA logging provides detailed records of user traffic, threats, and policy violations. Reports help administrators identify risky behavior, audit compliance, troubleshoot network issues, and continuously improve security posture across the organization. Question number 5. Which ZIA capability allows seamless protection for remote users without a VPN? A. Zscaler App Connector. B. Zscaler Client Connector. C. Bandwidth Control. D. Cloud Sandbox. Answer: B. Zscaler Client Connector. Explanation: Zscaler Client Connector routes traffic from remote devices directly to ZIA in the cloud, enforcing security policies without requiring a traditional VPN. It provides continuous protection, SSL inspection, and secure access to Internet and SaaS applications, improving user experience and security compliance. That's it for the top 5 most repeated Zscaler Internet Access questions in the ZDTE exam. Practicing these Zscaler Internet Access questions regularly will strengthen your preparation and improve your confidence for the real exam. Pass for Future offers full-length ZDTE practice tests with hundreds of questions designed to cover every topic efficiently, helping you master the exam with ease. Do not wait. Start your full ZDTE exam preparation with Pass for Future and ensure you are fully prepared. Click the link in the description, access hundreds of exam-like ZDTE questions, and take the first step towards passing the Digital Transformation Engineer certification with confidence. Your success starts today.